I'm John Champion, and sitting alongside me up here in our lofty perch in the commentary box is Jim Beglin.
Yeah, thanks, John. What a brilliant atmosphere we've got in this stadium today. I mean, both sets of players must be really looking forward to this, as we are.
Got it. Cuts it out. Plays this forward. Wants to get this forward. He wants to get a cross in from here, and the cross met firmly. Now, takes a shot, goal, and Manchester United take the lead. And that goal just shows you the real quality in this team.
Yeah, and I don't mind admitting that this is my kind of football. Good passing and movement with the right tempo and purpose. It's really enjoyable.
They've got the opener in the early minutes.
I think it's a goal that gives them great early impetus, and I think the coach will want them to use it and go and get a second now. It's not time to sit there.
Who can latch onto that?
If the support had come quicker, that wouldn't have broken down.
15 minutes into the first half. A shot! Oh, he wasn't taking any chances there. A shot! And the keeper's there to claim it. No, it was cut out. Got the man there, surely. Yep, free kick given. He knocks it in. It's an opportunity. It's in. Now have the equaliser they were looking for.
Well, that's something that will make the manager proud, because they dug in deep then and they've got their leveller.
They kick off with parity restored.
Well, that's got them back in it, but it'll be very interesting to see what way they approach it now. Do they settle for that or push for more? Well, that came from a lack of vision. The space was out wide and yet he hit traffic.
He can take the shot on here. He's got in. That will go behind for a goal kick. And we've barely had half of the first half. It's on for him. A mistimed lunge there, easy for the ref. Free kick. Well, it's a booking, no surprise really. Have to agree with the ref there. Defender didn't get anywhere near the ball. No complaints about that. Manchester United have this free kick. Got it. This is lovely passing to watch. Over the line for a throw-in. Whistle goes. Referee just gives the throw. Ball stolen. Tries to slide it past the defence. He created a great chance there.
Yeah, the ball in there was simply superb. He won't be too happy that it's gone to waste like that.
5 minutes before half-time, and it's level. No, possession lost. It's well cleared. Referee in a good position to give the free kick. Manchester United have this free kick. And he has a go! Now. Free kick given by the referee. Manchester United have this free kick. And there's the end to the first 45.
Yeah, they just allowed themselves to get a bit complacent at the back after they took the lead. And I think the players will surely be spoken to now in that dressing room.
So nothing to separate the two teams. It stands at one apiece. Where's he going to send it now? He's on a real charge. And he hits it in towards the middle. And he's still going. And a shot here. Keeper claims it.
Right in front of goal like that, and he's gone and missed it. I won't have to tell him that's not good enough.
He's on a promising run. Sloppy pass, intercepted. It's clear. Plays this forward. It's on for him. The pass cut out. Could be a chance now. He's got in. Intercepted. That's clearly not what was intended. A long ball into space. Booted away. And he'll shoot! Puts it away. They have the all-important lead. He escaped the shackles and finished very well.
Yeah, defensively they thought they had him where they wanted him, but he's forever on his toes and he showed terrific movement to manufacture some space and score.
Manchester United now up by a goal. Deflected. No, it's been cut out. Pass intercepted. We're into the final quarter of an hour. No, that wasn't the best of passes. Looking to carve open the defence. And that's been intercepted. He's looking to attack from out wide. Cross is aimed towards the far post. Easy pickings, really. Free kick conceded in a promising position here. Manchester United have this free kick. Skillfully hit.
Well, I think they've shown a lot of courage in looking for another goal, but if it backfires, the coach will certainly come in for some criticism. They need to keep the ball.
Here's a cross. Vital touch by the keeper. This is very pleasing on the eye. Shoots. They've done it. That should do it for them. He escaped the shackles and finished very well.
And it looked as if he had no room to try and engineer a chance there, and yet his strength and desire came through. It's a very well-worked finish.
Surely they have now sealed their victory.
Well, that's a really bitter blow. I think it's going to be very hard for them to find the character to respond from that.
No, that won't be finding its target. The referee blows and it's all over. Well, they'll consider that to be a brilliant victory. There were times when it was in doubt, but they've come through in the end, and they will savour this win. So, thanks to Jim Beglin for joining me. That's all.